guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching me, Lindsay, and for today's vlog, I will share with you my Watson's haul, my bag haul, everything that I bought this past few weeks. I actually bought a lot, pero mga nakaraan pa, and this is the latest or updated things that I bought. So let me share with you this. So stay tuned and watch my vlog until the end. Thank you. Okay, so we will be starting with my Watson's haul. Actually, I've been buying a lot from Watson's. Oh, wait, I forgot to... Wait lang. Okay guys, so kinuha ko lang yung bago kong favorite sa Watson. I actually bought something like this one. So this is the first thing that I bought. Hopefully naririnig niyo ako kasi sa iyong bata. Kasi sobrang hirap ko lang mag-vlog dito. Like, maingay and all. Wait lang. Okay, so there are a lot of nice things around me. So, sorry guys. Pero sana mas naririnig niyo ako. So, this is the first thing. Wait. Okay, so this is the first thing that I bought. This one is the Watermelon Double Boost Collagen Serum Conditioner Treatment. So, I bought this for buy one, take one. Binili namin to sa Watson's. And yung other one is na kay mami na. So, paubos na siya kasi nga siya yung nauna kong binili. Wala kasing available na shampoo at that time. So, sabi ko, sige, bilhin ko muna to and then I look for another one sa other Watson's. So, naghanap ako ng shampoo. Talagang may nagwalis pa, no? So, yun, naghanap ako ng shampoo and then, mayroon naman akong nakita, luckily. Kaso sa SM Watson's na sa Baguio, so, puti na lang kamo. Kasi yung the first time na pumunta kami doon, hindi ako masyadong nakabili dahil hawak ko si Amaya. The second time na pumunta kami is, yun, nakabili na ako and meron na siyang available. So, partner sila, this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. This is not sponsored by the way guys, but I'm using it right now. Sa totoo lang, yung labas niya sa hair ko, hindi siya talaga yung totally malambot or madulas or madaling suklayan. But, kapag natuyo yung hair ko, kahit hindi ko siya sinuklay, parang smooth niyang tignan. So, gusto ko siya. Isa pa, sobrang bango niya. Kasi I love the color of watermelon. I'm going to try the Jeju Aloe. Kasi sabi nila, mabango daw siya sa ulo. Mabango. Malamig daw siya sa ulo. So, I'm going to try it soon. Kapag naubos ko na to. So, maunang paubos yung conditioner ko. So, I think I'm going to buy another conditioner. Kasi sobrang dami nito. Ito for 30 ml. Tapos ito 200 ml lang. So, you really need, kaya pala siya buy one take one, you really need to consume this para ma-consume mo rin to ng may conditioner partner talaga sila. So, that is the first one that I bought from Watson's. So, wait lang. Hanapin natin yung ibang binili from Watson's. Wait. Actually, there are a lot. So, I bought this pants, Acne Clear. So, ito talaga, usually, alam nyo naman na ang skincare ko lang talaga is pants. Hindi pa ako nagtatry ng ibang skincare because sobrang hiyang ko sa pants. Ever since I was in high school, gumagamit ako ng cream. Hindi lang ako gumagamit ng toner and gumagamit ka lang ng facial wash. Pero yung toner nito ko lang ginagamit nung may pera-pera na. Siyempre, but I bought this one for spare lang kasi I still have the pink. I'm using the pink and the blue one. So, kahit ano doon, ginagamit ko sila. So, kung ano yung meron sa Watson's, okay, go. Ito. So, siya yung pants Acne Clear. I'm going to try the pants, yung kulay red. I think that's the serum. I'm going to buy that one very, very soon. Kaya lang hindi ako nakabili nakaraan kasi first time ko siya nakita na may serum pala yung pants. So, this is the third one. Michido Eyebrow Gel. Actually, I'm looking for a mascara na clear. And ito yung na-recommend nila sa akin na pinakamura. And sabi nila, wala na daw talaga clear na mascara. So, I said, okay, I'm going to buy the black one na lang. So, ito, gagamitin ko na lang siya para dito. Like, pang ganyan lang siya ng kilay. So, nagamit ko na siya sa Baguio. Sa Baguio. Baguio. Yan. So, pampataas lang siya ng kilay para magmukha siyang makapal. Mukhang mabuhok yung kilay mo kahit wala ka naman talagang kilay. So, doon ko siya gagamitin. I don't know the prices anymore, so sorry. Check nyo na lang siya sa Watson's. Pero yung other Watson's kasi, especially dito sa amin, walang masyadong makeups. Walang masyadong brand ng makeups. So, doon ako talaga nakabili sa SM Baguio ng mga makeups na gusto ko. Next is this one, the Shawil. So, that's the first nung first day namin sa Watsons, yun lang nabili ko. Because I am with Amaya. So, ito na second day, ganito. Shower yung mascara. Hindi ko pa siya natatry, pero I'm asking for a more affordable mascara kasi I know a lot of us parang ang mahal ng mascara. Diba like 300 or 400 na siya. Wala namang mas mura dyan. Ganyan. And then ako, nag-explore ako dun sa my mall. Like, literally, nung nakita kong wala yung babae dun sa mga part ng makeups na yun, dun ako nag-explore. And I found this shower. I think wala pa siyang 200 pesos. Like, 180 lang siya. No? I don't know why it's so mura sa shower. I'm not yet sure with the quality, but I think if it's mascara naman, parang pare-pareho lang naman sila ng magiging outcome, right? So, I bought this one to try. Kasi, yung pilikmata ko sobrang ikli na no. Umikli siya sa eyelash extension. So, I need something na parang pilantik man lang. So, ito ay ultra thick mascara. So, pampakapal daw siya ng ayan, nakikita nyo naman. Pero, hindi ko kasi siya ma-explore masyado ngayon. Pinapakita ko lang siya sa inyo para makita nyo kung may ganap ba. So, pansin nyo na may ganap talaga, di ba? Yan na nagkapilik na tao. Okay. So, that's the fourth, I think. So, most of the things that I bought from Watsons are makeup. What else? Pero hindi pa rin talaga ako nakabili ng marami kasi medyo nag-iisip ako talaga bago ako mamili ngayon. So, ito yung ito yung sumunod. Kumuha na si Mami. So, ito yung pang round puffs, imbes na bulak. Ito yung ginagamit natin to put toner on our face. So, yan lang. Namili lang ako. Kasi I miss using this. I'm actually using this few years ago na. Like, literally 2016, 2018. Hindi na ako nakakabili nito sa Watsons. I don't know why. Nakakalimutan ko or because nag-enjoy na ako sa bulak. But yeah, I'm going back to this one. So, this one also, I would like to share with you the lipsticks that I bought from Shawil again. I'm actually going to buy na yung 250 lip tints. That's 3 pieces. Pero sobrang liliit niya. So, parang akala ko, ano na siya, goodbye siya. But no. I only need lipsticks para lang magkakulay yung labi ko. Wala talaga akong alam sa mga color na lipsticks and I don't care kung may sa akin lipstick or what, as long as may kulay yung labi ko. So, I bought this 3 for only 99 pesos. And it is from Shawil. So, this one's the color. Parang ito, light, medyo ma-pink siya. Ito dark maroon siya. Tapos ito red. So, we're going to try it one by one. Ngayon. But I don't have wipes. So, ganyan siya kahaba. For me, this is actually a good buy. So, that's the red. I'm only using lip tint. So, yan yung una. Diba? Ang ganda, girl. Yan yung una. Tapos next, buburahin ko muna. Okay, so buburahin muna natin for the second shade. By the way, guys, sobrang pigmented niya. Wala akong sponsored for lahat ng to. This is so good, actually. Yung wipes ng Watsons, nakita ko na yung cucumber niya. Sobrang bango. Kaso paubos ko na siya. So, tuyuin lang natin ng kaunti. Kasi ito yung parang medyo light. Parang ma-pink-pink siya. Na ma-red-red. Light siya. So, ito parang yung pagka-natural siya. Yung natural look. I love it. So, yan. Parang natural siya sa labi ko. Parang kakulay siya ng labi ko. Yan o. Wala siyang masyadong kasi parang natural look ang pimple natin. Okay. So, last one. Ito na yung maroon. Or dark red, I think. So, ayan, may pagka-ano to. Ayan, o. Para siyang, actually, parang natural look silang lahat. Parang hindi siya masyadong, lang. Hiling ko ba sa kaya ano. Ayan, ganda, o. Diba, 99 lang sila sa tatlo. So, parang 30 plus lang sila. Isa, you have a lipstick which is signatured already. That is Shawil, by the way. So, those are the things that I bought from Watson's. It's all from Watson's. So, ngayon, titingnan muna natin yung iba naman. Wait lang. Okay, so, balik tayo. Medyo parang nag-run yung camera ko. So, now, we're moving on to my bags, I think. So, this is the bags that I bought from SM. This is actually the things na parang sobrang love ko ngayon, yung bags. Tapos, wala akong sapatos ngayon na kahit ano. I don't actually know how to buy shoes. So, totoo lang. Parang, I'm looking at the colors lang and the comfort part. But I don't know how to buy shoes. So, I think I'm getting to know how to buy bags. So, this is the first bag that I bought. The tatak is Parisian. Tatak. So, ito siya, guys. Ayan siya. So, it's like an army green. The one that I love is talagang itong strap niya. Kasi when you put it, like parang ayan o. Diba? So cute. The strap is so cute. Tapos, yan. Ganyan siya. Parang pa-envelope siya na. Ewan. Pag binuksan mo siya, may plastic kasi yan. So, yan. Thank you, Elicit, for sponsoring my bags. Okay, so this is the first one that I bought. They are all Parisian, actually. The second one is this one. Oh my god. This is the most beautiful bag that I ever seen. Charot. Parang, ito talaga yung pinaka-bet na bet ko. Like, ganyan lang siya. And then, diba, parang sobrang comfy niya na nandito yung wallet mo, yung cellphone mo. Ganyan lang siya. Wala kang kahirap-hirap. Like, unlike your sling, pag ganon, bigat. Diba? Ito, wala. Ganyan lang siya, girl. So, I really love this. The thing is, hindi sinabi sa akin ni Alison, nakakulay pala nito yung other shoulder bags ko, which is the 2-1. The big shoulder bag that I bought from the Ukay, and the other one, it's what I bought from Tita Lanet. So, I think I'm going to do a bag haul kasi ang tagal ko na rin hindi nagbabag haul. I think, buntis pa ako nung huli ako nagbag haul. So, sige, try natin kung may time tayo. Kasi sa totoo lang, wala talaga akong time, guys. Naisingit ko lang ito ngayon kasi nakapaglinis ako gabi ng bahay. So, may babalik na yan siya. Kaya tapusin na natin itong vlog na ito. Okay, so the last one, actually I bought 4 bags and I gave the other one to my mom. It's actually color green then, and the strap is actually the same, but the design is different. So this one is the other one. Tatanggalin lang natin yung mga. So this one is, I really love this one. This can be a shoulder bag. Like that. Or a sling bag. Pwede mo siya mapahaba dito. Like literally, sobrang cute niya. Pero ayoko siya pahabain kasi I think I'm going to use it as a shoulder bag. Sobrang cute ang color niya. I actually get it agad nung nakita ko siya kasi sobrang cute niya. Yung color niya is sobrang social. Okay, so those are the things that I bought na bag ko ngayon. Tapos, the next one is the one from Shopee. We are actually having a little things from Shopee kasi sobrang dami ko talaga naging Shopee kaya lang hindi ko na siya na-i-haul sa inyo. Actually, this is one na gusto ko sanang i-try on haul. Ang dami-dami kong biniling damit para sa try on haul pero hindi ko siya nagawa. Nasuot ko na lang yung damit, nagamit ko na lang damit, hindi ko siya nagawa kasi wala akong time. So, bumabawi ako ngayon sa hauls. So, I only have 2 from Shopee. This actually swimsuits. So, we're going to try it. I'll be putting the pictures on the side. But, guess what guys? We're not going to wear this as a panty, okay? Yung lang, sobra lang ang ating agamit. So, I bought this one. It's actually not the right color that I ordered. Pero ito yung dumating. Okay. So, I don't know why I ordered swimsuits. I think, sabi ko kay mami, para ready na ako. Kasi most of the time, when we are going to swimming, parang wala akong swimsuit. And then, like, kahit umorder ako ngayon, hindi naabot kasi bukas na yung swimming. So, now, I'm being ready to swim. Ready na ako na magkaroon ng swimsuit. Anytime na magkaroon ng swimming, I have my own swimsuit. I have my own swimsuit. Whatever. So, this is the first one. It's so cute. This actually color pink talaga. Like, I don't order this color, pero nung nakita ko siya parang okay, kasi ayoko rin kasi na marami akong kapareho na kulay. So, if you are unique, you are wearing a unique color, then you will stand out, right? So, this is also a high waist one. I don't know if I can wear this. Kasi parang, I'm not wearing panties when I'm swimming. Hindi ko pa siya kaya. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-confident. Dati, hindi rin ako nagsiswimsuit upper. But now, I'm confident enough to do that. But yung bottom, no. Wala pa ako sa confidence level na ganun. So, ang kanino. Okay, so the other one is the same lang din ang design, but different color. Look how cute it is, right? It's maroon, and it has this black line over there. So, sobrang cute. I'm so excited to swim. Anytime kayo mag-iyan ng swimming, okay, go up. Joke lang. Joke lang. Hindi pwede. Anytime. Kailangan natin i-schedule yan. Okay, so yan. High waist din yung panty niya. But I don't know if I will be able to use it. Anyway. So yung try-on haul, hindi ko alam talaga malalagay ko siya sa side na yan. But let's see. Tapos, baka isama ko na rin siya sa other try-on hauls ko ng... Kasi, baka mag-order ako sa Shopee ng ganit. So, baka isama ko siya. Kasi wala naman ito. So, the last one that I bought is this. Good luck. So, this is the first time that I saw this product. Actually bought two. Kasi sabi nila para daw hindi mo kayo tanga. Like, pag nag-order ka ng isa lang, hindi sobrang nipis niya. So, yeah. This is the first time that I will try it. This is actually cute, but I don't know how to use it. Okay, sige. Tingnan ko. Kasi bulbul. Oo, ba't ganun to siya? Hindi ko pa yata siya nare-rate sa Shopee. So, good luck, Charles. So, yan siya. Tapos, okay. Ay, i-click mo siya. Parang kiniklik mo siya. Ito ano? Pero halata siya na. Ano ito? Wala naman siyang instructions. So, I think it's going to be a waste of time actually. But guys, kung masot ko siya ngayon, papakita ko na lang siya sa inyo. So, it is a long hair. Feeling ko mahalata siya na extension sa akin kasi brown tong hair. I actually ordered black but it's brown. Kita nyo? So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging outcome. But, I think I'm going to post a picture na lang dito. So, yun na guys, yung sobrang daming haul ko. Actually, kulang pa yun. Hopefully, you enjoyed this vlog and I am so happy na nakapag-vlog ulit ako ngayon kasi sobrang tagal ko na talaga hindi nag-vlog. Like, literally, few months ago. So, there are a lot of things na nangyayari sa akin and nangyayari pa rin hanggang ngayon. So, I'm still not okay today. As you can hear from my voice, may sipon ako in the buhok. And also, Maya din, syempre kami lang naman lagi magkasama. With update with career, love life, and work, or whatsoever. I think I'm going to update you soon, but right now, hindi ko pa kayang mag-update kasi hindi pa okay lahat. Or kasi I'm very stressed right now, especially with Amaya because she still have a cough. Yan. Buti na lang hindi siya nilalagnat. I think it's because of the weather then. Kasi uulan, aaraw, uulan, aaraw. So, hirap. Sana umukay na rin yung weather and with everything else. I'm going to update you soon, guys. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe down below. See you on my next vlog, guys. Bye!